So I just got this thyroid test kit in the mail from Paloma Health, and I really like this company because they focus only on hypothyroidism. So I know that I'm getting the most focused, most comprehensive care for my thyroid. And it comes with everything you need to take a blood sample, including this cute lollipop. And it measures TSH, free T3, free T4, and TPO antibodies. It's pretty easy. You just drink a lot of water and wash your hands with warm water. And then you prick your finger with these lancets and drop 5 drops of blood onto this collection paper, put it in this return envelope, and then just ship it off to the lab. Apparently this kind of testing has been around for decades and it's super stable for shipment and storage. It's also way more convenient than going into the lab and taking a big vial of blood. I've done this a couple times now, and once the lab receives my sample, my results are uploaded to my online dashboard within a week or so, and they map my results into a graph that shows my lab trends over time. But what I'm really all about is the thyroid doctors. Paloma Health has doctors in several states who specialize in hypothyroid care, and it seems like my doctor actually cares. I've never tried a virtual consultation before, and I was kind of nervous, but honestly, I think it's so much better and different than my previous doctor experiences. It doesn't feel rushed. I feel really listened to, and my doctor's open to talking about different treatment options. I know that Paloma takes insurance, but I pay out of pocket because it's actually a better deal for me. And I know that you can get the kit without the doctor consult or the doctor consult without the kit, though you need lab results that are less than 4 months old. And that's it. It's super convenient and easy, and I finally feel like I have the help that I need.